In this video, I'm going to tell you guys how you can create different APIs around Solana NFTs. All the saved API links will be in the description along with the Bitquery Telegram channel link. We are going to see three APIs in this tutorial. First one will be get NFT trades happening on Solana in real time. Second one will be get real-time NFT balance updates across Solana ecosystem. Third one will be get most traded NFTs on Solana ecosystem in past 1 hour. Navigate to id.bitquery.io. You will need to first register as a developer account to get free credits to test these APIs. Make sure this is EAP here as Solana is only present in EAP right now. EAP is our early access program and Solana only has last 8 hours of data right now. The team is backfilling the historical data. It will take some time. Firstly, we will track NFT trades on Solana in real time. Select Solana, then DEX trade by tokens, then select where. We will put our filters here. Select trade currency, fungible as false. This will make sure that we only get the NFT trades for NFTs. Now select the fields we need info about. Let's say we need block time when the trade happened. Also the trade details, which will contain account, address, then amount, maybe, or maybe currency details also. Like is it fungible? It will always be non-fungible, which is NFTs, because we have selected in where condition here that fungible is false. Let's say we need mint address, name, primary sale happened, and then maybe symbol. Also the token creator, address, share, and also the verified one. Let's say we need URI, is it the verified collection or not? Let's say we need also update authority, also the token standard, and also is it trapped or not. Maybe we also need DEX, program address, protocol family, and protocol name. Where is it traded? Also the price of it, also the price in USD, and then select transaction signature. I forgot to add the side currency, which is the second currency in the trade. Let's say we select account address, also the amount, currency. Which currency have we used? Mint, name, address, mint address, name, and also symbol. This is enough. Let's change this to subscription and it will act as a WebSocket. So this should give us the NFT trades in real time. You should stop the query because this will consume credits. So if you don't need the data and you're just testing, then just stop the query and just analyze your data if this is the data that you need. So first API is done. Now let's move on to the second API. We are going to track real-time NFT balance updates. Select Solana, then balance updates, and then select a filter using where. We'll select balance update again, and then currency as false, fungible as false. We only need to track the NFT balance updates across all the wallets on Solana ecosystem. Now we're going to select the fields we need info about. We're going to select the block time, also the balance update, amount, and account address, and also the currency that's balance is updated. Select symbol, name, and maybe mint address, and also if fungible, is it really fungible or not. We have selected here fungible was false, so this should give us fungible as false because we only need to track NFT balance updates. Let's say we also select pre-balance and post-balance, and then transaction. I'm also going to select the transaction signature because if we need to look this balance update transaction on Solscan, you need this transaction signature. I will just change this query keyword to subscription, and this will act as a WebSocket, which will give us the NFT balance updates across all the wallets on Solana ecosystem. Now run the query, wait for a few seconds. Now the data is flowing, the NFT balance updates across all the wallets on Solana ecosystem. I'll just stop the query because I don't want my credits to exhaust. So you can check here account address, amount. So we should put here one more thing, which is amount greater than 0 in the where condition. Amount greater than 0. And now run the query again. And this will work just fine now. Stop the query. You can see this, right? Pre-balance was 0. Now post-balance is 1 because the amount that the balance is updated is 1. The currency was this JP Jupits 809. Fungible false, that means this is an NFT. This is the account address whose NFT balance is updated. This is the transaction signature. You can look it upon Solscan. And now I'm going to move on to the third API. We're going to get the top 10 traded NFTs arranged in order of total traded amount in last 1 hour. So I'm going to select the Solana here, then Dex trade by tokens, then select the limit count as 10 because I need the top 10. Then I'm going to put a filter using where, then trade currency fungible as false because I'm concerned only with the NFT trades. Now I'm going to put the last 1 hour date and time using this block time, and I'm going to use here since until. In since, I'm going to put the starting time of the last 1 hour. We need to put here UTC time, so it's around, and here I'm going to put, just make it 16. So this is the 1 hour, and in this 1 hour I need, keep in mind Solana is right now in EAP and you can only get the past 8 hours data. So I'm that's why putting here the last 1 hour only. You can put here last 8 hours also, that will also work fine. Now select the fields you need info about. Let's select trade here and then currency symbol. We cannot select here amount or amount in USD because we need to sum the trade amount, right? So we cannot get like each trade amount in this. So we just need to select the main things here like currency name and currency symbol and maybe currency mint address because that's going to be same in all of this. Because if you use because if you use sum or because if you use sum or count, then it will act as a group by function. So it will group all of these trades with this symbol name and mint address. Then I'm going to select dex, protocol name and protocol family. Then I'm going to select the count will firstly group by this currency and the dex, so and then give us the number of trades per currency at the particular dex. We are doing sum of trade amount. I'm going to give this an alias name of AMT and going to order by the result by this AMT field. Here change the time to 14:15 and 15:15. I have put the wrong time here. And now run this query and you will get this. Remove the mint address here and then run the query and then you will get the correct result. Thanks for watching. Like and subscribe and head over to our Telegram channel if you have any questions.